Our learning platform is available at this address via browser access from your PC or Mac and is fully adaptive to different screen sizes, including mobile browsers. Alternatively, you can also access the platform on a mobile using the Moodle app. We've got a separate video on how to download the app and set this up. Your login details will have already been sent to you via email. Click Login and enter your username and password. You will be required to set a new password on initial login. Once you are successfully logged in, you will be taken direct to the My Courses page. You can come back here at any time by using the top-level navigation. This is also the default page each time you log in. Click on the course card to go direct to your desired course. From the top-level navigation, you can also click on Dashboard. Dashboard is a useful view that shows your upcoming activity deadlines, such as submitting your assignment and your classroom session course dates. Once you have clicked on the enrolled course, you will be taken to the full course page. Everything related to your course can be accessed from this page. The left sidebar called Course Menu provides direct navigation to each section and element of the course. If the side menu is not showing, click the blue burger menu button to expand it. You can also collapse or expand each section using the small arrow. The course menu navigation also shows if there are tasks to complete via a small circle to the left of the element. Once completed, these change to a yellow tick. Additionally, some elements of the course are only accessible when other tasks have been completed, ensuring you complete the course in the correct order. For help with your assignment, we have provided a separate video in the pre-course assignment section which will explain how you complete and submit your assignment using our platform. Please take time to watch this video to ensure you complete the assignment in the correct way and submit it for marking. If you have any problems with anything related to our learning platform, please contact the office via email or telephone. We hope your experience with our learning platform is able to assist with your course.